So you wake up in the morning, you step out of bed, and you go, oh, ow, my toes, my tootsies. I have some pain in my heel or in the bottom of my feet. And then you walk about 5 or 10 steps, and it goes away, and you forget about it. More often than not, that is your plantar fascia letting you know that it's getting tight and kind of has some trigger points in it and some tension. And this is a simple way to fix that. You just get yourself a lacrosse ball, pop your shoes off, ideally socks off too, so you can really see what's going on with your feet. You're then just simply going to get this on the middle of your foot and just start gently rolling. Initially, I just do a kind of a cursory glide over all parts of the foot. You can think about your foot being divided up into thirds. One, the medial, center, and then lateral portion of the foot, so that you're getting on the inside, the middle, and the outside. And you'll find there's junky stuff in there, and there's little bumps and grit and sand and rope and other things that don't sound like they should be inside your body, and just roll, give it some good pressure, and then finally you want to go side to side as well. So do that 2 or 3 minutes, and you can do that 3 or 4 times during the day. You get yourself a lacrosse ball, you can put it under your desk at work, you can put it under your table while you're eating dinner at night. Best of luck.